to get into your course on My Classes and Drawing for Engineers, you click onto that, and I'm going to show you how to navigate. You come to the welcome screen or home page where you can keep a track of your progress. It's a bit like an ILP, individual learning plan. It's for you really. It's a bit like a kind of a homework diary or something, and you can have there's a list here of all your tasks and assignments there and what you've got to do, and an announcement which I could make, and I could put it up here so that I could show you, tell you something interesting, like there's a trip to New York or something, which there won't be, but that's the kind of thing that, you know, would happen if it was a really long course. Now, to get onto your course material, everything is in activity, so if you click onto that, and you have an introduction to the course there, you have the learning objectives set out, so you know what you're going to be aiming for, your required materials, which are a computer with internet access, a pencil sharpener, or pieces of any type of paper. You can use anything to draw with. You can use a biro if you like. It really doesn't matter what. Use a piece of chalk on the pavement or wallpaper, as long as it's legal. You're not drawing on walls. Okay, so the first lesson is here, and there you can see the following lessons for the following weeks. So they all follow the same pattern, so we're just going to navigate around one of them, and this is the first week. So we have 5 activities here, and you can navigate by either clicking there or clicking onto the text. So the first lesson, I always try to upload a video to introduce the lesson, to tell you about that week. This video is really crackly on the beach. I'm going to try and get the sound better for next time, but unfortunately it's really crackly, so I hope you can hear it. If you have a lot of difficulty, I will I'm going to upload some text here to explain things to you. The second activity is an interview of an engineer who talks about their professional practice and what sketching it does for their engineering career, and how they implement it into their daily life. And then activity 3 is what your opinion of the video is. I'm really interested to know your views. So it's not simply a summary of the video. What it is, it's saying, how does that video relate to your life as a student and as a future practitioner? And so I'd like 5 sentences, 5 ideas about how it can impact upon your work. The first drawing exercise is activity 4, where you watch a video, and then I'd like you to upload your drawing, and the instructions are there in the video of what you are going to draw. And then the final activity is feedback for me, to make sure that I'm along the right track for you, and that this is useful and that it's informative. So thanks for your participation in this course. Please let me know if there's anything I can help you with. You can email me, and there are also some tools here which we will use, some of them only for the purposes of them being useful to us. They won't be used simply just to try them out. There is one activity on the game plan that I had for you, which I will... Oh, it's here on conversations. This is a little activity for this week as well, supplementary to the others I've just outlined, and it's only just it's an icebreaker. It's the sort of thing you do when you first start, term with a new teacher in a new class. Now, I'm in effect a new teacher to you, so it's quite useful to this class to go through these questions because they relate to the course material. I'm just asking you here, why do you want to be an engineer? Do you want to be a civil engineer or a mechanical engineer? And I'll give you a list of job types. And the reason for doing this is to get you to reflect upon your career and to give some meaning and purpose to the actual drawing that we're doing. So if you can do that for me, that would be really useful. And it's quite a good discussion board as well, because it might bring up some other interesting points. And you can share information on this board as well. And it's quite good to get used to doing this sort of thing, because if you go to university, or when you go to university, you'll be using Blackboard. So it's good to get used to using it. So this is the introduction to how to navigate around the site. Please email me if there are any questions. I'm hoping to have a Skype chat with you. You can book me in for that. If there are any questions, we can have face-to-face time. Thank you.